hope that you'll take the opportunity to watch this DVD that we've put together. At Customised Training Services, we're looking to provide students with an opportunity to grow and to find a career path that best suits them. We've tried to make the programme exciting. It won't take very long to watch, so I hope you enjoy, and I very much hope we see you in September.
CTS has changed my life.
CTS is great. It's really good crack. You have a lot of courses to do. You have retail, you have warehousing, you have the business studies. You do a lot of projects on it. We done an art project, we've done history projects, and then we done drug and alcohol awareness. It was with the Divert, and then they took us out in trips in. We went rock climbing, we went cliff jumping, we done canoeing. There's just a lot of stuff to do. The tutors are fantastic in here. They listen to you, and it's just really, really great.
A lot of water.
What did you say? Get back on the boat, right? Same as, 2 knees up against the boat, right? 2 hands up the top. Pull your body on.
There was nothing to do, there was no jobs to go to. And the techs, you had to pass, you had to get so many grades. But on here, you know, they took you on. It's just great, you get to do your course, but then you can, if you don't like it, you can go on and do another course. And I didn't like retail, so I left the retail and went on to do the warehousing. There's just so many opportunities in it.
Good afternoon, Customised Training Services. When I left school, I didn't know where I wanted to go to. It's a really, really good opportunity to get your grades and get qualifications so that you can actually go and get a job. Know your exams that you haven't done in school, like Maths and English and IT. CTS, you're going in the morning and you're doing your courses, you're doing your Maths, your English, your IT, maybe money management, employability, but the tutors are really friendly. It's not sit down, be quiet and do your work, get on with it, the class is over. They're really nice, they're helping you, they're asking, you know, can they do this for you, can they do that? And you can have a bit of crack and you can laugh and joke and get on with them, but at the same time you're getting an insight in what you're going down the line to do for work.
It's all Marks and Spencer's own brand, so it's going to have to be between...
If I didn't come to CTS, I'd rather be lying in the house or wait till mid-teen and sign on the roll, because I wouldn't have went back to do A-levels or to tech. You need 5 GCSEs or C grade and above, and for those who didn't get them, CTS is here that you can walk into with no qualifications and come out with qualifications. You can ring back, she'll be in the office after 4 o'clock.
Richard came here to Customised Training about 2 years ago. He was just out of school. He felt that while he was at school, he wasn't succeeding in that environment. He has turned from a school child into a young man. He's really happy at what he's doing, and he has succeeded in barbering, and he knows now he has confidence and he's happy that he's got a future. I think Richard probably would have suffered from low self-esteem. He would have felt marginalised in society, that he had nothing to offer. I think he probably would have spent a lot of time at home and waited until he was 18, signed on the dole. That seems to be what happens. But now when you look at Richard in his placement, when he went out there initially, he was sweeping the floor. He now has his own chair, his own clients. He's confident, he's happy at what he's doing, and it's just great to see. So what are you going to do? Have you thought about it? Why don't you call into Customised Training and meet the staff? We can sit down, we can look at the options with you, we can help you. We can help you to find an option that suits you. Call in and see us. We're here to help.